Here's a look at the November 2024 issue of MSW magazine. St. Paul Regional Water Services found that bringing pipe bursting in-house offers major cost savings and efficiency improvements. With aging infrastructure and lead pipe replacements on the rise, they're tackling some serious challenges head-on. The town of Leroy's proactive approach to water and wastewater infrastructure is impressive. See how they're prioritizing future growth, creating system redundancies, and engaging council members with hands-on infrastructure tours. Think small utilities can't make a big impact? Think again. Discover how even tiny teams are using creative solutions to tackle aging infrastructure and water system upgrades. Juneau's innovative approach to water main replacements is cutting edge. By training their own staff to use non-invasive acoustic testing, they're reducing unnecessary pipe replacements and saving on repair costs. In this special section, you'll find innovative equipment to boost efficiency and save costs for your municipality. These articles offer detailed insights on how this equipment can tackle your municipality's challenges and help ensure you find the right solutions. If your crew spotted a dangerous situation, would they know what to do? See how a Stop Work Authority policy can prevent accidents and save lives. Louisville Metropolitan Sewer District is shaping future engineers through hands-on projects, creating innovative solutions for wastewater infrastructure while also addressing workforce development. Electronic leak locators, line locators, and smoke testers can enhance your operations and safeguard water systems. Looking for serious power on the job? HotJet USA's new diesel-powered trailer jetter is turning heads with 10% more muscle than the competition. Grand Rapids revamped its aging sewer management with a data-as-a-service model, while Miller Underground relies on churny pipe plugs for safe, precise inspections in every operation. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading MSW. See you next month.